today we are coming to you as Ursula. How are you doing, guys? We are making experiment 11.7, stir frying. We're going to try two variables. One is using the Chao technique and the other is using the Bao technique. The first one is a vegetable-based one and the second one is a chicken. Stir frying is, of course, Chinese and used extensively now. The two techniques, the Chao technique is similar to sauteing, okay? So when you're tossing things around in a pan and a small amount of oil is added. The Bao technique is more of a deep frying process. So we're going to start with the Chao technique and I'm just going to show you our setup. So we've got our wok heating up over there. We've got our veggies that are going to go in. Okay, and then after we've done that one, we're going to use our chicken one. There's our chicken over there. Okay, so we're going to get it going. So I've actually started heating the pan up. Okay, and we're going to add about 20 mils of oil. So it's only a small amount of oil in the Chao. So just a small amount of oil. Let that heat up. Now you need to heat it up, but you don't want it to get it past smoke point, okay? I am going to put an apron on now, because this might splatter. And my apron, I'm going to be Captain America. Okay, so, well, this is why I don't have long hair. Okay. We have our oil. So, we are going to, first up, wait for that to heat up. And then we're going to add our garlic and our ginger. Oh, did we get garlic? I don't think I did get garlic. I've also got some shallots in here as well because that's a bit yummy. I'm also cooking some noodles because you can't eat this without noodles. Pardon? The bottle. We'll add that. We'll just add the bottle quickly. I'll add half a tablespoon of garlic as well. Yum, 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 yum. That's we've got quite a bit of ginger. Get out my spatula. Coat the pan a bit. Nice and hot, but not too hot. Oh, instantly smell that. And stir fry that just for a minute, just to get it fragrant, and then I'm going to start adding my vegetables. Now I'm going to start adding from my firmest vegetables, things like my carrot and my onion. Onion's going to go in. Carrot. It's all coated. To my celery. We have all the vegetables. We are using up all the things that we have in the thing. I'll put my capsicum. The only thing we're missing is something red. Yeah, no. Probably won't use all of this. A bit too much zucchini. Don't want to overdo it with zucchini. Or we won't fit everything in. You just keep tossing. So you keep tossing. Beans. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm not going to use the rest of that. I won't use the rest of the... right, so we just got to get it all coated. Now, I'm going to leave out my leaves until the end. Bit of corn. As I said, we're using up everything that's in the fridge. In there, and now I'm going to add my sauce. Sauce in there. Get it all coated. I might add a splash of water to this as well. Just want to keep tossing. Out of the water. Alright, I'm going to cover that up just to let it cook through a bit more. Reduce the heat a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour and water. Can I just put that cup back? Because we need corn flour. Mix it with some water just to thicken up the sauce. So go in. Nice thick sauce. Just going to let that steam a bit. Yeah. Alright, so that just needs to cook until the sauce thickens. Alright, I'm going to press pause. Right, recording. Alright, we're back. We are now going to do the bow technique, which is more of a deep fry. So we're going to coat our chicken in corn flour. So I'm putting 5 grams of corn flour in here. And I'm going to toss my chicken into the bag and give it a toss. Make a mess of that. Just toss it around, get it all coated. Our chicken. Probably a bit more than 200 milligrams of chicken here, but we're having lunch after this. Okay, the whole point of this is just to coat the chicken. I'm going to add a little bit more corn flour because we have a little bit more chicken. You want to get all of the chicken coated in the corn flour. We're getting this heated up. We don't want it to smoke though, so we do not want to get to smoke point on our flour. The best way to test the heat is just to add one piece. Yep. So it's starting to cook. Just drop it in. Kids put anything back in the right place yesterday. You want to add a little bit at a time because otherwise you lose the temperature of your oil. So you want it to stay hot. If you add it all at once, temperature will drop really quickly. Keep it moving around. Be careful when you're using metal tongs that you don't tip them up and end up with the oil in your hand. Needs to be immersed in the oil. And we're just going to move it around. It should not take long for the chicken to be fully cooked. More chicken. That's the last of the chicken. Probably more like 500 grams of chicken here. But Mrs. Crook and I get to eat it. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Go, Liz. Right, that can be turned off now too. Yeah. Take the lid off. Right, so there's our veggies. I'm going to show you the final look on the veggies. So I'll zoom in. Nice and fresh and green. It's lots of colour in that food, okay? So I'm going to zoom in on my... Move forward and zoom in on my chicken. You just keep going until this is fully cooked. In the street markets, you probably see them. Right. You turned me off, Liz. You turned the wrong pan off. They're swapped over. Alright, so almost done. As soon as it's cooked, and it's pretty soon, we're going to take it out. And pop it on. Check and make sure the bits I'm taking out are cooked. Just let the oil drip back in, don't take it straight out. My suggestion would be give these a go at home. So if you're cooking, you have to cook, then give these recipes a go. Look, they sound delicious. Right, I'm going to turn that right down. Turn it off. Alright. So next thing I have to do is I need to remove most of that from the pan. Just going to move the hook. I'm going to stick the bowl over here, and I need to tip off most of it into oil. Don't tip oil down the drain. So only going to leave a few mils in the bottom. Right, just going to make sure I don't touch this, so it's hot. Alright, let's clean up around. Nice and drained. Okay, so we're going to add our ginger and our honey. It's bright. So the ginger and stuff is in here. We're going to give this a saute. So the ginger is in there. I just did it all in at once. that back on again. Right. Gonna let that thicken a bit, and then we're gonna add the chicken back in. I need some shallots again too. I'm doing well. Okay. Coat the chicken. Lots of spinning. Turn that heat right down. A lot of oil in this meal. Around. Let's give it a quick slice. Just slice up our shallots. Nice and fresh, straight out of the garden. Alright, and in it goes.
Fresh plate. Do you want 2 fresh plates or just 1?
That's it. 2, yeah, 2. Alright, so we've got our shallots, so look green and delicious. Turn it off, just let it sit in there. Okay, so there is our final product of our bow technique, the final product of our Chao technique. Okay, I'm just going to serve them up onto plates. Have a look. I'm going to get some noodles as well. So, that was well stacked. Noodles out. So this is the bow technique with some noodles, and this is the Chao technique with some noodles. Now, on tasting this, I'm going to taste this one. But I have to say that that is very tasty, but it is definitely deep fried. Whereas this one, I'm not sure what I want to eat. I'm just going to take a piece of corn. Also very tasty and fresher. Okay?